How is it that we can continue to preserve our light and continue to remind ourselves not to put ourselves in that downward spiral? And whatever little light we have, how can we make it stronger and stronger and stronger? Allah Azza wa Jal himself says, أَلَمْ يَأْنِ لِلَّذِينَ آمَنُوا أَن تَخْشَعَ قُلُوبُهُمْ لِذِكْرِ اللَّهِ. Isn't it yet time that believers' hearts should become filled with awe, with the remembrance of Allah? Truly remembering Allah will bring awe into the hearts. And the more your hearts remember Allah, because Allah himself is Nur as-samawati wal-ard, Allah is the light of the skies and the earth, the more Allah is in your heart, the more light is inside your heart. You understand? So he says, remember Allah. And then he says, how do you remember Allah? This is called ataf bayan in Arabic. وَمَا نَزَلَ مِنَ الْحَقِّ. And they should be filled with awe because of what came down from the truth. Because of the revelation, because of the Quran. Ponder over the Quran, remember Allah through the Quran. Weep when you recite the ayat of Quran. Think about what they mean to you, the gift that Allah has given you, because not only is Allah the light of the skies and the earth, the Quran itself is also described as light in the Quran. فَآمِنُوا بِاللَّهِ وَرَسُولِهِ وَالنُّورِ الَّذِي أَنزَلْنَا. Believe in Allah and His Messenger and the light that we sent down. Quran itself is called light. Quran itself is called light. And so the amount of time you spend with the book of Allah, for your own personal benefit, when you sit and recite it and ponder over it, and you think about what Allah, your master, is saying to you, that is going to fill your heart with light. And there's no more, greater a treasure in your life than that light. And you won't realize the price of it, I won't realize the price of it, until we stand on that day when everything around us is dark, and the only light is the light coming out of my chest, and the only light coming out of my hands. That's when we'll realize.